should be recording.
Yeah.
Just double check it in case we miss footage. How do you know?
Because it has the camera and then it has a time.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
Hey guys, you're on camera. I'm so excited. You can go in there, I'm gonna get some money out. Hey guys, so I'm just gonna get some ATM. Violet is in there. And she is gonna buy some rash guards. Very important to have those on because it hurts. The board just cuts you up. I feel like we haven't been here.
Because we've been in the...
How much? 2,000? Yeah. Oh, VIP parking. Let's get some surfboards, bro.
So we still have to pay for this? Hey, what's up guys? Violet, and this is going to be our surfing segment. We realized that we have a passion for surfing, and this is our first time surfing alone. Well, my first time surfing alone. And this is just gonna be a vlog. Maybe weekly, maybe bi-weekly, whenever we go surfing, just to share that experience with y'all. We do come from a desert, so surfing just is, I don't have any surfer friends yet, but pretty excited to share the water with y'all.
Are you okay?
Babe, are you okay?
Yeah, you didn't get me. You okay? Don't worry, I caught it on camera. Are you okay though?
Yeah, I just feel the pressure to catch a wave.
Well, let's just catch a wave now. We can't. Go, baby, go!
Maybe this isn't how I feel every time.
For a video. Let's just turn around. Let's head back. I'm gonna try this one. Hey, this could be a wipeout footage.
And we didn't get any surfing. We just swam.
I think we came at a bad time.
But still interesting, right?
It was fun.
Motherfucker.
My toesy. Whew, I scraped my toesy. This is hard rock.
So I like Antonio's slogan. We didn't catch waves, we caught rocks. We got caught in rocks. And like the minute I hit the water, it was so shallow. So like it was weird paddling. And like one of the locals even took a video of us trying to paddle. And we did arm day today and back day, so I was dead. And then Antonio left me. But overall, we got to catch the sunset. It was so beautiful. And I mean, all in all, at least we learned a lot of lessons. So yeah, here's Antonio. Look at his GoPro.
I'm just the cameraman. Just the cameraman. It was a lot of fun. Just being out in the ocean, you kind of feel like you're a boat because you're going on the waves and you're just going past them, and it was just a lot of fun. It's gonna be really hard to catch it on video when we're surfing, but we're just gonna keep trying. It's a lot of fun. It costs like $3 to rent a surfboard for a couple hours, so you know, when you live by the beach, you go surfing. Peace.